pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey guys, it's Karen. I am doing a different type of video today. I know a lot of you guys are really excited about the Wet n Wild Nickelodeon collaboration. I know I was. The Spongebob palette and everything looks amazing. I had wanted to pick up 2 of everything because I wanted to do a giveaway on this channel, and the only place that it released early was April 10th. You won't find it again until April 18th in Ulta, and then after that it'll be on Wet n Wild's website and it'll be available in more places. Anyway, so I started to see on April 10th people had the items. I saw a couple pictures of the display online, all of that. So I went to my local Walmart, and my dad went with me, and I talked to one of the people in the cosmetics department. They were putting out stuff, and this guy's like, Wet n Wild and SpongeBob, and I'm like, yeah, it's a collaboration, you know, it's a palette. He's like, let me look this up, and he pulled out those gadgets they have where they can see what's in their inventory. He's like a SpongeBob highlighter. I'm like, yeah, that's part of it. So he showed me the picture. I'm like, yes. He's like, well, we have it on the truck, but it's not put out yet. And this was April 11th I went in there, and I'm like, okay, do you have any idea when it'll be put out? He's like, no, I don't. And I was like, all right, well, thank you for looking. You know, he's like, you can check the other Walmart. So I went across town, and I went into that Walmart, and there was 2 associates in the cosmetics department. And they were like, oh, we don't have it, and they didn't. And she's like, I don't know if we're going to get it, if it's going to be out. I have no idea. Maybe in a couple of weeks, check back. And I'm thinking to myself, well, in a couple of weeks it'll be available at other stores. I was trying to pick it up now. You know, I wanted to do a review on YouTube. I told them I was a YouTuber. I told them I review makeup, and, you know, is there anybody I can talk to or find out where a location would have this product? She's like, no. I'm like, okay. So I go home, and I'm frustrated, but a day passes, and it's April 12th. And then I went into Walmart again. They didn't have it. So April 13th, I called the manager, and I spoke with the manager, and I said, do you guys know when you're going to have this out? About when? Or, well, we have a lot of people out sick due to COVID. And I'm like, okay, I understand that. I get that. You have a lot of people out from COVID. I said, but you guys have it, and you haven't put it up yet. Do you have any idea what? She's like, no, I have no idea when it's going to be out. I'm like, do you think we can find out when? Like, I didn't think that this was a difficult question. And, like, I know my son, I had to keep him home because he was exposed to somebody with COVID, and they had to do a whole quarantine. So I was, like, thinking to myself, Walmart saying they have a lot of people out with COVID. Well, did they close down, clean the place, and, you know, quarantine people? Who knows? I don't know if they did that or not, right? So I'm like, all right. Okay, so I called Walmart corporate office, and they looked it up online. Everybody looks it up online. If it's not listed in the store, it's not online. It's actually, I contacted Wet n Wild. I contacted other people. I said, where can I find this? It's in stores, but it's not available at walmart.com online. Okay, so I can't purchase it online. So I said to them, I said, look, I said, can we get a message to a district manager? They're telling me that there's no district manager. I only spoke to one manager, that manager could have cared less, basically. And can we just find, she said, I'll email them, and they'll call you back within 24 hours. Well, 24 hours passes, nothing. So I expand my search, and I'm like, all right, so I go to outside my county, and I call Walmart. And I'm like, can I talk to somebody in the cosmetics department that could tell me if you have a product? This lady says, well, I can't help you. And I said, okay, do you know of anyone that's in the cosmetics department that you can refer me to? She says, no, they're out sick. I said, well, what about a manager? They're out sick too.
Yeah.
Your manager? Is there a supervisor? And I said, can I ask who I'm speaking with? No, I don't have to give you my name. Is there a way you can check and see if it's put up in the cosmetics department? Hold on. 33 minutes went by. She never came back. And then the phone hung up on me. So I called back. I said, and then when she said, hello, this is Walmart, I said, what is your name? She told me, Kim. Okay, Kim, hi. I just called. I really need to speak with a supervisor because I'm looking for a specific product and I'd like to know where I can find it. Okay, hold on. 42 minutes went by. She was not coming back. And she said, you're going to complain about me that the first time I had called? I said, no, I just want to find out where this product is. So I called corporate headquarters. Hi. Is there like a district manager? I'm really not happy with the way these people have treated me. I'm not trying to create a problem. I just want to know where I can find this product. Is it really that difficult? I need to know. I used to work in retail. I would have got permission to get the product back because I know that they come in trucks on pallets. They're put in separate sections. You got somebody for cosmetics, somebody for electronics. They take care of that and they put the stuff out. So somebody had to know. And nobody wanted to help. And I don't have to work in the cosmetics department to be able to go look for something for you. I mean, isn't this just bad customer service? So I asked them, I said, look, I just want to find this product. Can you just do me a favor? Instead of sending the store manager an email, can you send the district manager an email and let them know I've now visited 3 stores, called 3 stores, and these are the responses I got, and I still have not gotten the product I wanted or even know where I can find it. So that is why I do not have the Spongebob collection. What do you guys think about this? I honestly am upset, and I'm not usually bothered by these things, and I mean, I'll get over it, but I called, I went to the stores, and it seems like they could care less. I mean, yeah, it's makeup, I get that, but I should not have to go through hoops to find out if you have a product and when you're going to put it out. It seems to me like the employees just didn't want to take that extra step. Walk down a few aisles to see if you have it? I mean, come on. Now, please tell me your thoughts. I don't know if I'll end up ever finding this collection, but I'm going to continue to look. Does your Walmart have it? Was it put up on April 10th, like the, the launch date that it was supposed to be? Let me know in the comments below. Have you run into any problems getting this product? Did you call stores? Did they treat you the way that I was treated? I just really think Walmart, you need to step up your game. I mean, I cannot believe somebody actually said to me, I don't have to give you my name. You're going to complain about me? No, I just want the product. Then leaving me on hold. That's what she did so she could avoid the situation. And then they hung up on me. And then the next time that I called back, I ended up having to hang up after 42 minutes. And to sit there that long for this product, the reason I did that was because I figured, let me actually see what these people are going to do. Are they really going to help me? I really do want the product, and obviously I'm going to have to come to the conclusion that I'm not going to get it. But let's see how they handle it. So, okay, yeah, they didn't do a very good job, and I really wanted it. I wanted to do a giveaway. By the time that I get it, it'll probably be seen all over the internet, and I probably won't have any interest at that point. I don't know. You guys tell me your thoughts. Should I continue to look for it? I don't think I'm going to right now. But I am going to move on to something else, I guess. Are there any other new makeup releases out there that you guys would like to see a video on? Let me know. Put all of your thoughts, comments, and everything in the description box down below, and I will talk to you guys really soon in a happier video. Mwah! Bye!